Hi, this is Dana. I named this video What Not to Do to Your Client's Latch Hook Braid. I had a lady that was referred to me because she saw a picture of hairstyle that she liked. But when she came, you're going to get to see what I had to look at, take out, and try to figure out what I could do to help her. So this video is to say, don't weigh down your client's hair with a whole bunch of hair. You know, don't damage it anymore. Latch hooking style is a style that is supposed to be a protective style. So it's supposed to protect what you already have. And when I took her hair down and she left that day, she was very, very discouraged. And I prayed for her while she was gone and asked God to show me some different things that I could do before she came back. And then when she came back 2 days later, you'll also see the braid pattern I did. And also you'll see some of the finished product. And I wanted to make sure I didn't show her face or anything. You know how we are as women. I actually went up and got my hair micro braid for a couple months. The only part I hate about this is when I've got to take it down. But anyway, back to the video that you're getting ready to watch. And so I just basically made it because my channel is a channel to inform people and things that I think that may be interest to you. I'll post on my channel. And as always, I'd like to thank you for watching. And if it was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you've never seen any of my tutorials before, subscribe to my channel. And always you can leave comments and I will respond. So again, I'm really tired after doing my hair. You can see I'm in my room. All my crochet stuff up there on the wall. How I got into crochet braids was because I was on YouTube looking for crochet something and ran across crochet braids, and now it's been 2 years later and I'm doing hair. Alright, well thank you. Don't want to get too windy on this. Be blessed because you are blessed by the best. I'm taking a video of this because I just don't get it. Make sure so I can see what's happening when I take all of this off of your hair. I don't know what the heck. Braids, that's her hair. These are just hanging here. Just braids. What not to do to your client's head. Oh, Jesus. And this has only been up 8 weeks, did we say? 6 weeks?
Maybe about end of March.
Okay, so now I'm going to take all this out and see what we got when we get up underneath here. Okay. Yeah. 15. Alright, that's, what did I say? 15 braids? 16 braids?
That's like 18.
18 braids, okay. Alright. So, my thought is I'm going to go in a circle. Just hold your head back just a little bit. This is all gone right here. And this is all gone right here. Okay. Everything else looks okay. Alright. I'm going to do a part down the middle. And I'm going to put as many braids as I can get here. As many braids as I can get here just to this middle part. over here, I'm going to try to connect a piece of hair, braid it real skinny, and connect it to whatever braids that I have here. And then that'll give me my bridges from here to here, and put a thin amount of hair on those, just so that the wind factor won't bother it. Same over here. I'm going to take an extension and come from here into however many braids I can get in here. 1 and 2. And I'll do my little bridges from here to here. And then this part back here, I'm going to do a topper, a little net, just a little small circle. And I'm going to connect it, sew it right to here, right around there, onto whatever braids are there. And that should be good. Alright, I am completed the braid pattern, and what I've done is done bridges from one to the other cornrow. Given her a middle part, we'll do a blind seamless part for her, invisible part. And then here on this side, she is a alopecia patient or hair, and so we're trying to work to build. These are pretty loose, they're not really tight, and there'll be just loose amounts of hair on it just to give her coverage, not trying to weigh that down. And so anywhere there was hair, I just did braids. And then she had length to her hair, so in the back we just took it, went all the way around in a circle, and left this part out because I did make her a topper. This is the topper I did, and the topper will just be connected from this braid here down to this braid, and that's about 3 inches in that topper. So I'll be back after I get her hair in. This is the end of her braid, and I just weaved it in and out. This gives her where she can pull up her hair if she like, and her back will look really nice. So I think pretty good braid pattern. So we'll go from there. Alright, it's done. And this is what I've done to the side. You can't see anything. Very good. She's got some 27 blondes in there. Sides. I'm going to show you her middle. And then this was the part I had to put on. Can't really see in there, but I put that netting up there. So, oh, it looks good. What we had to work with. I think that's good. Excellent.